Chinese brand Xiaomi is one of those brands which is known to put their effort to innovate and offer low price solutions while keeping the great quality and design, and the Mi Speaker 2 is no exception. The Xiaomi Mi Speaker 2 is a beautifully cylindrical designed speaker which is equipped with Bluetooth 4.1 and offers an insane 7 hours of battery backup, and the best thing is that you can get this for just $20, which is a great price considering the quality of output from this compact device. So now let's check out, is it worth buying or not. Now before starting, let's quickly unbox it and see what we are getting inside. Xiaomi have kept up their traditions of keeping inclusions to minimum, and their new speakers is no different. Inside the box you will get the Xiaomi Bluetooth speaker, a rubber band to keep the controls from spinning, and a Chinese instruction manual. I am disappointed that Xiaomi didn't include a micro USB cable for charging, as it feels like an inclusion that really should be in the box. Now let's start with the build and design. The Xiaomi's latest Bluetooth speaker sports a brand new cylindrical design. It's a sleek matte finish tube with the speaker located on the top of the unit. Now these speakers are available in two different colors, that is black and white, but I imported the black one as that's my favorite color. At the front of the unit you will find a small dual color powered LED, and the rear has a micro USB port for charging. Now when I first got this, I was pretty impressed with the design language, and most shockingly there is not a single button over the speakers, but the top of the unit is actually the controls. It's one of the most minimalist yet elegant control system I have ever seen in a long time. Pressing and holding down the top will turn the speaker on or pause the current track if you are already listening to a music. Turning the top section controls the volume, and the entire unit feels incredibly well made and fun to use. Powering up the speaker is done by holding down the top of the unit for few seconds. The device automatically jumps into the pairing mode. The size of the speaker is actually quite compact, and metal feels good to hold. It's compact enough for me to cover it with my palm. The build quality of the speaker is stellar, with everything working perfectly including its style. Xiaomi's products are known for its top-notch quality, and the same applies to the Mi Bluetooth speaker too. This handy little cylindrical device produces enough sound to give tough competition to the number of cheap portable speakers in the market today. It is loud enough to keep everyone in the room in tune with the music. But being loud isn't enough. We expect a Bluetooth speaker to do a lot more, and I must say that this nifty device manages to impress. Pairing is a matter of selecting the device in your phone's Bluetooth menu. The quality of sound output is impressive considering its super compact form factor. The output is clear and crisp. The treble is great, and the mids are also pretty good. The bass is not as good as I expected. It's pretty decent, but I feel the lows could have been better. As for the battery life, I could easily get over 7 hours of music playback on a single charge, which was impressive. And it does not have to be continuous. You can listen for few hours one day, switch it off, and get a few more hours the next day. With a single charge, I was easily able to run this for almost 4 days, which is really impressive. So guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you do, then do consider subscribing to my channel for more future videos like this, and don't forget to press that bell icon to get notified every time I release a new video. So this is Samir signing off, and I'll see you guys in my next one.